Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix SkyQ box remote not working or responding after reset, reconnect and repair fix. Fix 1 is replace the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the back of the SkyQ remote, then take out the old batteries, insert a new pair of batteries making sure the plus and minus ends are correct. Test the remote to see it is respond. Second fix is restart the SkyQ box. Press the standby button on the front of the SkyQ box, then wait 30 seconds. Turn the box back on, then allow the box to fully restart. Test the remote again. Third fix is repair the SkyQ remote, then move close to the SkyQ box. Press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons together. Keep holding until pairing instruction appear on the screen. Follow the on-screen instruction, then check whether the remote is working. Fourth one is reset the SkyQ remote. Press and hold the 7 and 9 buttons together for about 10 seconds, then wait for the remote light to flash. Release the button, then pair the remote again by pressing 1 and 3 together. Thanks for watching.